Creating professional presentations takes hours, and finding the right content, images, and videos can be frustrating. What if you could create stunning presentations in minutes? Meet Pi, an AI-powered platform that researches, writes, designs, and even generates AI images and videos all in one place. Let's go to Google and search for Pi, then click the very first link. I have also provided the link in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Pi, where presentations are made easier than ever. With Pi, you can turn any idea into a polished, professional presentation using AI. Simply describe your topic in the prompt bar, and Pi will create a stunning presentation easily and effortlessly. You can also add attachments and generate presentations based on your own content. Pi also allows you to generate AI videos, AI images, and create complete presentations with just one click. From the homepage, you can find AI-powered creative image tools, one-click presentation creation, agent mode, and blank canvas options. For this demonstration, we will use agent mode. First, click on Login. From here, you can continue with your Google account or email address. For this demonstration, I will sign in with my Google account. Once logged in, go to the description bar and type your presentation topic. I will type, create a professional presentation about the top 10 AI tools every content creator should use in 2026. Include the latest trends, practical examples, and reliable sources. Once you have entered your topic, press Enter. Pi will immediately start searching the web for relevant information. On the right side of the canvas, you can see Pi searching different websites and gathering data for your presentation. Once the research is complete, all your sources will appear on the right side of the canvas. On the left side, you will need to confirm the information before generating the presentation. First, Pi will ask you to select the language of your presentation. More than 30 languages are available, so choose the one that best fits your needs. For this demonstration, I will select English. Next, select the number of content pages. I will select 5 to 10 pages. You can choose according to your requirement. After that, select your target audience. Different audience types are available, and you can also customize this option. For this demonstration, I will select marketing teams and agencies. In the additional settings, you can include specific tools or topics you want to feature in your presentation. This is a great way to personalize your content. Next, select a theme for your presentation. This is one of the most important parts. Choose a scene, a style, and a color scheme for your slides. There are many options available, so pick the one that best matches your preferences and brand. Once everything is set, click Submit. Pi will now start generating the outline for your presentation. Please be patient while it works. Once the outline is ready, you will see it displayed on the right side of the canvas. Every section is perfectly aligned with your presentation topic. Pi will then ask for your confirmation to generate the full PPT. For this demonstration, Pi will generate approximately 12 pages. Click Confirm to proceed. Pi will now create your complete presentation based on the topic and requirements you entered earlier. Once it is ready, you will see a professional AI-generated presentation that is clear, visually attractive, and easy to understand. Each slide covers a different AI tool explaining what it does and why it matters for content creators. You will also find relevant images throughout the presentation, making it more engaging and visually appealing. Now, let's modify the presentation. Click on Modify. From here, you can remove or edit any text according to your needs. For example, I will remove some text and type Welcome to Tech Castle and press Enter. You can also change the font size, text color, and text style easily. You can also use AI card generation to create image cards based on your requirements. Under Page Settings, you will find options such as card size, zoom, content adaptation, and more, all adjustable according to your needs. To change the theme, click on Theme, select New Theme, and choose the one you prefer. It will instantly update across all your slides. Now, let's add an AI-generated image to our presentation. Click on AI Image, select Edit using this card as reference, and choose a model. Available models include Nano Banana Pro and GPT Image. Select the best one for your needs, then choose your aspect ratio. In the prompt bar, I will type a modern digital creator working with multiple AI assistants, holographic screen displays, YouTube analytics, video generation tools, social media posts, and more. Press enter and Pi will start generating the image. Once it is ready, you can see a high-quality professional image created instantly. Now, let's export our presentation. Click on Export and Share. From here, you can add collaborators and share the presentation with friends. You can also export it in different formats including PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, and more. For this demonstration, I will export it as a PowerPoint file. Once the download is complete, let's open it. Wow! We have created a professional, visually stunning presentation easily and effortlessly. Every slide is clear, well-structured, and the AI-generated images make it even more attractive. Now, let's explore one more powerful feature: AI video generation. Click on AI video. From here, you can generate a video to use directly inside your presentation. In the prompt bar, I will type, "A happy young professional working on a modern laptop in a bright office," smiling while creating a beautiful AI-powered presentation. You can also add a reference video, reference image, or additional media. Next, select your video model. Available models include Cadence 2.0 and Cadence 2.0 Fast. Choose the best one based on your needs. Then select the aspect ratio and video duration. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds in HD quality. Once everything is set, press Enter. Pi will start generating your video. Please be patient while it processes. Once the video is ready, let's play it. Amazing! We have created a professional AI video to use inside our presentation. With Pi, you no longer need to use multiple different tools for presentations, images, and videos. Everything is available in one place. Create professional presentations, generate stunning AI images, and produce high-quality videos all within a single platform. From now on, say goodbye to expensive presentation tools. Use Pi to create professional, beautiful, and engaging presentations easily and effortlessly. I will provide the link in the description and pin it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.